How to crop in OpenShot. Need to crop your video to get the perfect frame? Here's how to do it with OpenShot. Start by importing your video and dragging it to the timeline. Right-click on the clip and choose Properties. Look for the fields labeled Scale, Position and Crop. Now to crop, you'll adjust the crop top, crop bottom, crop left and crop right properties manually. Play around with the values to crop inwards from the edges until your video is framed just right. You'll see the changes live in the preview window, so it's easy to fine-tune. When you're happy with the look, you can export your video as usual. For even better results, combine cropping with video to reframe shots perfectly. What's your favorite OpenShot feature so far? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.